Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be doing a flat iron steak. It's a cheap cut of meat, but it's going to turn out so tender and so delicious. It's going to be fantastic. Take a flat iron steak. We're going to add some, we're going to mix up a rub. We're going to make a marinade. We're going to throw some fire under it, and it's going to be good. So let's get going. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to mix up a rub for this. We're going to start out with some paprika. I've got 2 tablespoons of coarse ground kosher salt in here. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Spanish paprika in here. There's 2. All right. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of coarse ground pepper in here. There's 2. I'm going to put, okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic in here. And I will actually post the recipe for this at the end of the video for you. Two tablespoons of granulated onion. Okay, what I have here is some coriander, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of coriander in here. Make a mess while I'm doing it. Okay, there's that. And I've got some dill here. I'll put 1 tablespoon of dill in it. Just regular dill. Put that in there. And I've got some crushed red pepper that I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of it in there. Okay. I've got it all in the jar here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, and I'm just going to shake it up real good. Mix it in real good. This is a lid off of a Parmesan cheese container. Fits on these little pint jars perfectly if you want to store your rubs in them. All right, now that we got that all mixed up, yeah, it looks good. All right. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up our marinade. What I've got here, I've got a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce in it. There we go. Just mixed up really good. Okay, now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of this rub we just made up in here. Okay, we're going to mix this up real good, get it all mixed up. And you can save the rest of that rub. That's great seasoning on beef or steaks or anything like that. But we're going to use it to make a marinade out of it. It's going to be great. All right, got that mixed up real good. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a 1-gallon Ziploc bag, and I'm going to take our flat iron steak and I'm going to put it in this bag. Just like that. Now I'm going to stir this up real good. Okay, set this right over there, and I'm going to pour this over in the bag. Just like that. Get all that goodness in there. Now, set that right there. Now I'm going to take this, get all the air out of it I can. And seal her up. Now I'm just going to take this and get it all mixed in. All mixed in, this meat. Man, this is a great marinade. For a homemade marinade, this is outstanding. Let's get the meat all covered with this marinade. All right, got it all covered. This goes in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and in 1 hour, we'll be back. Okay, our steak's marinated for an hour in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna pull this out of the marinade. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pat it dry as we pull it out. We're not gonna rub it, we're just gonna pat it. Just like that. Put this away. Okay, I've already got our gas grill heated up, so let's go get this bad boy on. We're going to be doing it about. All right, let me get this baby on here. Just like that. Like I say, we're going to do it about 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other, then we're going to turn it 90 degrees, 2 minutes and 2 minutes, and it should be done about then. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. We're going to turn this bad boy over. Man, look at the grill marks on that thing. 2 more minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 2 more minutes. Now we're going to take this and we're going to turn it just like this. Man, if y'all hadn't used grill grates, y'all really need to. And we'll go 2 more minutes and turn it again. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Take this. Man, look how good a job of grill grates did. 2 more minutes, it'll be ready to go. All right, this bad boy is ready to go. Man, I want you to look at this. Look at that. Let's get this in there and we're gonna let it rest a minute. Okay, our flat iron steak is off. We're gonna just loosely cover this with aluminum foil. And we're gonna let this baby rest for about 10 minutes and we're cutting up, we're gonna eat. Okay, our steak's rested for 10 minutes. We're fixing to cut this up, but before we do, basically what we did was we took a flat iron steak, we mixed up a rub. That's just a general rub you could use. Fantastic on beef and steaks and stuff. Mixed up a marinade, put a little bit of the rub in the marinade, marinated it for 1 hour in the refrigerator, then we cooked it for 4 minutes on each side. And man, look at this. It smells amazing. And I'll put the list of ingredients for the rub right over here so you can make it. Next, now let's cut this bad boy up. Always make sure you cut against the grain. Oh man. This thing is so tender. I'm just going to take me this end piece. Man, look at that. Look at that. Man, perfect. Medium. It's about medium. Oh. Boom. That's a home run right there. That is some good stuff. Oh yeah. So, anyway, I want to thank everybody for joining me. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I want to thank all my subscribers and everybody else that watches my videos. I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement. They protect us and keep us safe every day. And I want to send a special thanks out, especially this time of year on Memorial Day, to all of our veterans and all of our men and women in the military. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.